We are going to review how to write the equation of a line when I know the slope, and I know the slope m, and I know a point on the line. I need y equal mx plus b. Let's read the steps. Step 1, begin by writing the formula. Okay, begin by writing the formula for slope-intercept form. Oh, we did it. We did the step 1. Y equal, let's do it again, mx plus b. Very good. Remember, I have a problem here. It says, what is the equation of a line with a slope of 4 and contain point -1,5? Okay, so we already did the step 1. Let's read the step 2. Step 2, substitute the given slope for m. Yay, I have m. What is m? The slope, 4. So I am going to substitute y equal 4x plus b. Okay, let's write check. I did step 1. Let me close this. Okay, I did step 1. Now steps 2, I did it. I substitute. Now step 3, use the order pair you are given x, y, and substitute these values for the variables x and y in the equation. Okay, x and y. I just substitute. Y is 5 equal 4 times -1 plus b. What did I do? Just substitute. What is 4 times -1? -4 plus b. Okay, so I just did step 3. Perfect. Step 4, solve for b. Now I have, give me a second. It's not writing. I need to move my screen. It's not moving it. Now it is. Now I need to do step 4, solve for b. I have an equation. I don't need this 4. This 4 is subtracting. I do the opposite. I add 4 to both sides. 5 plus 4, 9, equal -4 plus 4 cancel out, equal b. So now I have b. Perfect, we did step 4. What is the last step? Rewrite the original equation in step 1. Okay, here is the equation that I did. Y equal mx plus b. I have to rewrite it, substituting the slope for m and the y-intercept. Okay, let's substitute what I have. Y equal, the slope is 4, and the y-intercept we just found is 9. And this is my equation. Woohoo! Okay, happy face? There is. I hope it helps.